Right then, here is a tour of some trains at Oxford Station in Oxford, in Oxfordshire. Now, wow, Oxford Station is just one strange, weird, odd station. That is all I literally have to say about this station. I mean, the staff here are peculiar. I was told to stop filming twice. I've never been told to stop filming by anyone ever until I went to Oxford the other day. Then I was told to stop filming twice. Why? I'm pretty sure you have to right to film at a train station in UK. So that's very peculiar. And also, the people in Oxford were just a bit weird. Am I allowed to say that without people roasting me in the comments? People are they're a bit weird in Oxford. Yeah, because they were just staring at me, like, as if I was just some alien. I don't come from that far away. I only come from Wiltshire. That literally borders Oxfordshire. I don't come from that far away. I'm not that odd. Okay, getting back to the train side, because trains have sides. Let's take a look at a Class 800 departing Oxford, heading north to, well, Oxford sidings, because the train finished its service. It went from London Paddington to Oxford, and so yeah, it's just going up to its sidings. Oh yeah, by the way, did I tell you that I was recording this on July the 14th, 2023, when it was summer? I know it looks as though it's been raining and it looks like November. I get that, but I did actually record this in the middle of July. And I was wearing my raincoat because it was so cold and wet. Anyways, let's take a look at a Class 800 arriving into Oxford, heading southeast towards London Paddington. Yes, I did tell you that people in Oxford are a little bit self-conscious of others. Okay, let's take a look at a Class 165 departing, heading north to Banbury, and a Class 165 arriving into Oxford, heading south non-stop to Didcot Parkway, and then finally another Class 165 departing, heading south, calling at all stations to Didcot Parkway, which are Radley, Culham and Appleford. And now, let's take a look at a different operator. Let's take a look at Chiltern Railways, and let's take a look at the Class 165s, departing Oxford Station, heading north, and then southeast, a weird direction, towards London Marylebone. Or is it Marylebone? I don't know, because according to the Bakerloo line, it's pronounced Marylebone, but according to Chiltern Railways, it's pronounced Marylebone. So, I guess you guys are to judge for it. And also, try and guess what happened to the two cyclists that you see in this video. And it was at this point where I was told off for filming again. What on earth is going on, Oxford? Why are you not welcoming Great Western Transportation? Jesus. But anyways, let's risk that we don't get told off again. So let's take a look at two Voyagers. The first one is a Voyager heading south to Reading. And then another one is a Voyager heading north to Manchester Piccadilly. And now, let's take a look at a Class 165 departing Oxford Station, heading north to Banbury.
Platform level. Doors opening.
And to finish off this video, which is a very weird video, let's take a look at some IETs. Oh god, what a boring name. So the first one is a Class 800 departing Oxford, heading south to London Paddington. The second one is a Class 800 arriving into Oxford. And then the third one is a Class 800 departing Oxford, heading west to Worcester Foregate Street. And then we'll take a look at a Class 168 Clubman, which is a picture. Bye.